Hello cousins, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Big Mama Cooks and here I make mom level recipes made easy. And I air fry them too. Today's recipe is going to be arroz con vegetales. In English, yellow rice with vegetables or vegetable rice. This is really easy to make and it's a perfect side for just about any event. Let's get right to it. All of the ingredients will be listed in the bottom bar, but I'm going to start with my pan on medium-high heat and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. To that, I'm going to add 1 chicken bouillon cube and I'm going to break it up so it's easier to move around. To this, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sofrito. I have my sofrito recipe already up on my channel. Then I'm going to add in, Then I'm going to add half of a red onion that I roughly diced. Only for this recipe do I cut up my onion small. I normally leave the pieces large. If you've watched my Moto or Lokio videos, then you know what I'm talking about. Then I'm going to add in 1 can of drained vegetables. Yes, you can also use frozen vegetables, but I had a can on hand. Then I'm going to add in 1 orange seasoning packet or sazoncito de color or sazon packet. I would like to note that I like to use the Accent brand seasoning packets. I prefer to use this brand because it gives great color. It's never too orange, never too yellow, and it's never salty, always perfect flavor. The orange ones are culantro y achote and they give that orangey yellowish color, and the yellow ones are the original flavor. I'm going to combine and mix everything together, and then I'm going to add in 2 cups of washed rice. I have a video on how to wash your rice also up on my channel. I'm going to add my rice in and mix everything together so the rice can start taking on that wonderful orangey color. I'd like to note that I'm making rice for 4 people, so these measurements are for 4 servings. Adjust as needed. Then I'm going to cover my rice with water. Since I used 2 cups of rice, I'm going to be using almost 3 cups of water. So always a little extra water so your rice could come out nice and soft, not mushy, not grainy, just in between, and I'm going to mix it together. My pot has been going on medium-high heat, how I mentioned earlier. So all I'm going to do is raise the flame to high and I'm going to cover it for 8 to 10 minutes or until the rice absorbs all of the liquid. At the end of those 8 to 10 minutes, I'm going to come back and I'm going to lower the flame to low. You see that? And then I'm going to form my very well-known rice mountain. All I do is pull up the rice from the sides of the pot so that the rice doesn't stick to the sides of the pot and it cooks more evenly. Do you see the mountain? This is Big Mama's rice mountain. And then I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil and cover my pot for 25 minutes. Make sure that you set a timer, 25 minutes flat. At the end of those 25 minutes, when we remove our lid and our foil, we now have perfect arroz con vegetales, perfect yellow rice with vegetables, and we can turn off our pot. All I'm going to do is move my rice around to break it up, and we are completely done. Cousin, if you reach this point of the video, you finished making arroz con vegetales. This is a perfect weeknight side to add some variety to the regular white rice or moro. Everyone is going to be happy when they see it on the table. This is also a great plate to bring to an event. So if you need to bring a rice, bring arroz con vegetales. At the holiday table, make sure you have a platter of arroz con vegetales. Cousin, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like. Don't forget to subscribe. See you again next time.